everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically, this operation is very easy. All you have to do is to simply open the recents, and you can do it just by tapping on the square icon, which will open all previously opened apps. As you can see here, we've got a list of them. So basically, if you want to close only one of it or two of them, you can just tap on this X button right on it actually, or you can swipe it to the right or to the left. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, then you can turn all of them with only one click. Just tap on this X button here. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page. So after entering the recents, you can check that here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.